Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Okay, just a quick one. Just a quick one. I just posted these signals today. I posted these signals today. I posted sell USD CAD this morning, and I also posted buy EUR USD and XAU USD. As you can see, they are all in profit. They are all in profit. Now, I'm not saying I am Mr. Perfect when it comes to Forex signals, but I can tell you the fact that 99.9% of my signals are always profitable. Do you understand, guys? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, man. It doesn't cost you anything. Just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. If you have any question to ask me, comment below. And check the description below. I will be posting my Telegram channel where I share daily signals, and these signals are free of charge. I'm not charging anybody any money for it. I want to help you grow your account. I want to help you make money in life. So this is something I'm doing free of charge. I do not have any VIP channel. I do not have. All the channels I have, all the groups I have are all free groups, free channels. So I'm just doing it just for free. Do you understand? So just click the link below in the description below. You join the group. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to always get notified whenever I post videos. Thank you guys. I love you all.